course, you will get to learn a lot about the law enforcement and the criminal justice system. If you would like to choose to pursue a career in criminal justice or law enforcement, this course will be perfect for you. In this class, we'll learn all the basic law enforcement activities, all the law enforcement things that the police do on a day-to-day basis. So we'll get to that.
All right, and in this course, you will learn 3 main principles. You will learn how to enforce safety, prevent crimes, and investigate criminal activities. This is a very hands-on class. We will be learning how to handcuff people, lift fingerprints, use a baton, as well as like self-defense tactics. We do physical training once a week just to make sure that our students are fit, since law enforcement requires a lot of physical activities.
We have set up a few stations around for you guys to take a look at. I hope you enjoy this.
How many people, or has anybody ever been in a traffic stop or been stopped by law enforcement? Okay. All right, so you're gonna be officer number 1, you're gonna be officer number 2, you're gonna be in the vehicle, and you're gonna be in the vehicle. All right. All right, so you're gonna sit in the golf cart. All right, I need you two to pick up the radios. Right there. Oh, you got your license.
Yes, sir. No, I got it.
Okay. All right, so you just stopped this vehicle for doing, let's say, 65 and a 45. That's the reason why you stopped it. Okay? You're going to have to relay that information because you're getting ready to initiate a traffic stop. You're getting ready to relay that information to dispatch. So I'm going to be dispatching. I have to do it over the radio. So you need to tell me that you just stopped this vehicle for doing 65 and a 45. Say it's a blue in color golf cart. And we'll say Highway 25. I need to know your location just in case something happens. Okay? So go ahead and relay that information to me. Dispatch. Uh-oh. Top button. Dispatch, dispatch. All right, so we're good. All right. Go ahead.
I just pulled over.
Hey, wait. You want to get all the information before you get out of the vehicle. We're going to simulate like you're in a vehicle. All right, so get that information out before you.
Dispatch.
Go ahead.
Just pulled over a blue golf cart on Highway 25. We're going 65 and 40.
10-4, copy. All right, so once you relay that information to me, we're good to go. All right, so you're going to approach the vehicle. All right, stop right there. Before you get up to the driver and passenger side, you're going to touch the back of the vehicle. Why is he touching the back of the vehicle? He's leaving his prints. Why are we leaving our prints on the back of the vehicle? Good job. All right, so you set the tone. All right, he's already mad because you're pulling him over. You're making him later than he's already going to be. So you set the tone. All right, introduce yourself as officer. Okay, good job. Don't do that. What is that going? Is that going to make him upset?
Oh no, it's like
Oh, okay. All right. Go ahead.
you know I pulled you over today, so I was like, why'd you pull me over today? I was like, because we were going 65 and 40. I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna have to write you a ticket, a speeding ticket. My name is for instance. Okay.
All right. What are 3 things he's going to ask for? License, registration, and insurance information. All right, so you got the license, registration, and insurance information. At this point, he's going to walk back to the vehicle, back up. You're going to stay there and make sure that they're not doing anything. Hey, is it okay to ask them to put their hands on the steering wheel to where you can see? Yep. All right, so go ahead and ask them.
Your hands on the steering. Please place your hands on the steering. I got you.
Okay, good to go. All right, so you're going to run this information. He's clear, he's good to go. So you have to determine now whether you're going to give him a written warning, a verbal warning, or a citation.
Give me the
Officer discretion. Written
Just give me
warning?
a citation.
All right, so go ahead.
I have a written warning. Thank you.
And now we're good to go. That was a traffic stop. Good job, good job, good job. Hey, I need 4 more volunteers. Come on. 4 more volunteers. You know I'm coming this way. You know I'm coming. All right, so you two are gonna work together. And you two are gonna work together. Come on. All right, come on. All right, you have this dummy here. All right, this person is getting ready to bleed out. We talk about medical, CPR, first aid. You're considered a first responder, so you're gonna use this dummy here. All right, and you two are gonna use this dummy here. This is a tourniquet. You have 1 minute to put a tourniquet on the upper arm and the upper thigh, okay? All right, after that, he's gone. He's gone, so you got 1 minute to get it on. 1 minute to get it on. All right, ready, set, go, double mount. Handcuffing folks, who wants to do handcuffing? All right, got 2 people. All right, you can just walk over there and see the way that they put handcuffs on. All right? We won't fight. 45 seconds. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Barbara, you helping them? You helping them? Remember that the tourniquet has to be 2 to 3 inches above the wound. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Who's doing Miranda over there? Hey, good job. All right, 30 seconds. We're going to say you got 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. 15 seconds. 15 seconds.
And when you squat that, you basically just put this over, and usually they just put the arm around you.
All right, stop. Hey, groups. You're not done yet. You got 1 minute of CPR. 1 minute of CPR. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Right behind you. Right here. That's the dummy right there. You're going to use. All right, Ash. No, come on. Hey, you got CPR. You got 1 minute of CPR. 30 compressions, 2 breaths. Let's go. 30 compressions, 2 breaths. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 30 compressions, 2 breaths. Where your partner at? Come on, help your partner. 30. You might get tired. He has 1 minute. Good job. 30 compressions, 2 breaths. 30 compressions, 2 breaths. Handcuffing people. Hey, who did Miranda a while ago? Hey, let me hear Miranda. Let me hear Miranda.
I can't take it off. Oh, no, chill out. I think you'll be stuck like that.
Let me hear Miranda.
Let's go. There. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one will be provided to you. You know?
Good job.
I'm a real officer. You know I'm real. I'm black. I'm police.
What type of drug in the car?
Bro, yo. Are you gonna get arrested? No, I'm good, man. Oh, yeah, y'all can really arrest me.
All right, group, if you are done, we're going to walk to the simulation room so you can see what the simulation room looks like. Hey, can you guys follow me over here? So any of that stuff that you want to do that you're interested in, this is a good course to take. We have several good courses here. So if you don't want to take law enforcement, there's several other courses you can take here. I just wish I had taken advantage of the career center when I was here, or when I was in high school, because I didn't come here. All right, anybody need a handout? Handout, handout, handout. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Hey, thanks for coming, guys. Thanks for coming. And you will see me on the 7th also. I'll be at your school. All right? Okay, you got to move on to your next class.